Welcome to CodingCraft. In this video, we'll tackle the Kaitenzushi puzzle from Meta's interview question set. We'll break down the problem, explain the logic step by step, and walk through a clean Python solution. Let's dive in. Here's how the problem is presented on Meta's coding platform. The task description on the left outlines the rules and constraints, while the code editor on the right shows the function we need to complete. Let's break it down and figure out the best way to approach it. Before we jump into the code, let's quickly look at the constraints and our plan. We're dealing with up to 500,000 dishes and 1,000,000 dish types, so we need an O of n time solution. To solve this efficiently, we'll use a set to track recently eaten dishes and a queue to maintain their order. For each new dish, we'll simply check the set. If it's not there, we eat it. Now here's the full implementation. On the left, you can still see the problem and constraints. On the right, we've written a clean Python solution using a set and queue, just as planned. And, as you can see at the bottom, it passes all 33 test cases. And that wraps up the Kaitenzushi puzzle. We walked through the problem, planned our strategy, and implemented a clean and efficient Python solution. It's a great example of how simple data structures like sets and queues can help build scalable logic. If you enjoyed this, check out more meta puzzles and coding tips on CodingCraft. Thanks for watching.